Hi there and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 12th Standard with me Vishwanath sir. We have laid a lot of emphasis on case studies. Why? The simple reason is that it covers the maximum weightage in your entire business studies paper. So it becomes imperative that you focus on case studies. For that very reason, I have taken up the case studies separately of different chapters. But in order to come to the case studies properly, you need to have an in-depth knowledge about your chapters, read them properly, understand the concept, understand each and every point minutely so you can link it very easily when the case study questions come. Okay? And also, please be aware about things which are going in the outside world because this will help you link the answer in a better way. Okay, I go to the first case study. I'm with the chapter directing right now, and I go to Mr. Nikhil, who is the sales head of Sargam Electronics. He has a team of 9 people reporting to him. During the quarter year ended meeting with his managers, he had a clash of opinion with one of the managers over his underperformance, which resulted in an aggressive argument. He was so disturbed with his behavior that he could not focus on matters discussed by the other managers. He left in the middle of the meeting and later realized the reason for the underperformance of the managers was that no targets were set for these managers. There was no set criteria to evaluate their performance. He then laid down the standards expected of each manager and decided to conduct proper quarterly evaluation meetings. All the managers were informed about the targets to be set for them. In the next evaluation meeting, each manager presented a report on the targets achieved along with the reasons for the underperformance in any. Identify the category of communication barrier highlighted in the above case. Simple. This is psychological barrier. Explain any other 2 types in this category. You can tell lack of attention and distress. From here we go to Mr. Pawan, who holds meeting with his subordinates every Friday to discuss the work done during the week and also plan for the next week. He is open to suggestions which are beneficial for the company and allows his subordinates to use their skills to handle the day-to-day issues. Identify and describe the leadership type that is adopted by Pawan. So you can tell he is adopting a democratic leadership. One of the newspapers had an article printed under the title Business Success Mantra Motivation. Some portions of this article are as under: if an employee has a sense of fear or insecurity in his mind, that can be removed from that he can be removed from his job anytime, he will never work wholeheartedly and this worry will continue to trouble him. On the other hand, if he gets a feeling that his job is secure and permanent, he cannot be removed from the job easily. He will work without any worry and with an easy mind. Consequently, his efficiency increases. This is the reason why people prefer a permanent job with a lesser salary to a temporary job with a more salary. Identify the type of non-financial incentives mentioned in the above. You can talk about job security and of course you have to explain this non-financial incentive also. From here I go to Mr. Shivam Chawla, who after completing his studies in MBA was appointed in the production department of Gotham Limited. Soon after his appointment, the company placed a problem before him. The company said that most of the employees did not appear happy and he should research into this problem, giving suggestions to them. Mr. Chawla interacted with hundreds of the employees of the company and tried to find out why they were not happy. In the course of his interaction with the people, he tried to know the expectations of the company. About 20% of the people told him they were happy with the company. The remaining 80% of the people stated different reasons for not being happy. About 80% of them told that they were never consulted in any decision taken by the company. Every decision was imposed on them. After doing this complete analysis, Mr. Chawla told the company that people were working as managers would have to change their leadership style. Identify the leadership style which was often used by the company in the above case. You can talk about autocratic leadership because they are forcing their ways on the employees, on the subordinates. Mr. Divyansh takes a road trip and gets thirsty where he stops to look and get a drink. Identify and explain the need of Divyansh that is satisfied in the given statement. We can tell this is the physiological need. People look both ways before crossing the street. If they don't look, they don't feel safe. Name and explain which need is highlighted in the given statement. You can tell the safety and the security need is highlighted here. Dinesh, a teacher in the school, generally for 3 to 7 minutes at the beginning and the end of the class, shares a time with the student where the empathy is defined, discussed and brought to life. Identify the type of need that is being satisfied for the students. You can tell this is a social need because he is interacting with the students and he is getting a pulse or the feel of how the students are working. Jyotsna, a teacher in the Alcon Public School, Delhi. She always congratulates the students privately when they perform excellently. Identify and explain which of Maslow's need is being satisfied for the students. So you can tell this is a social need. Coming to the next question, Shivani is a teacher of a school which ensures a teaching environment is free from emotional bullying. Which type of needs are being satisfied for the students? Explain why. So this is safety and security need is being satisfied here. A teacher gives Star of the Week award to a student by placing his or her name in the bullet board. This award is given to a student who performs well in academics, is disciplined, is punctual, is attentive, is regular, sharing, caring and confident. Identify and explain which type of need is reflected in the above statement. Since it's touching, it is an esteem need. It is an esteem need. Going to the next case study from here. Prince, a manager, always listens to the suggestions made by his subordinates before taking personnel decisions. What leadership type does this manager possess? Okay, he possesses the democratic leadership. And of course, if they tell you explain means you'll have to explain certain features of democratic leadership in regard to this context. Coming to the next question, there are certain barriers in communication which are concerned with encoding and decoding of the message. Okay, state the barriers. You can tell this is a semantic barrier. Going further, there are some barriers which are concerned with the state of mind of the sender and the receiver. These are psychological barriers. There are some barriers in communication which are concerned with the organizational structures and rules and regulation. Okay, name such barriers. So you can tell these are organizational barriers. From here I go to Bluebird Limited, which offers its employees issue of shares at a price which is less than the market price. Name and explain the type of incentives offered to the employees. Okay, and you can ask for one more in this category. So this is co-partnership. Okay, because they are given at a lesser rate. Fine. So from here I go to Aisha, and Aisha Limited assured the company, the employees in the company, in spite of the recession, no workers will be retrenched from the job. Name and try to give the type of incentives which are offered to the employees. So we can tell they are offered job security. Yes. Going to the next. The news of the death of a manager due to heart attack spread over the company. But no one in the company could trace the origin of the news. Identify the communication highlighted in the above statement. It is 100% informal communication. Going to the next case study from here, it's a CBSE 2015 question. KPM Limited is manufacturing breads and biscuits for many years. It has approximately 150 employees and most of them are not happy with the working environment. Because of this, the labor turnover is very high. Therefore, the company appoints new resource manager Mr. Navin to analyze the situation. Mr. Navin finds that there is no free flow of communication and there is no suggestion box for the employees to voice their suggestions or grievance. The company rarely organizes social or cultural gatherings. The employees just come, finish their work and leave the organization. So the first question here is that identify the communication barrier discussed. You can talk about organizational facilities here or organizational barriers. Okay, and explain any other communication. You can tell rules and regulations. Okay, this is because of that. They arise because of the organization structure, authority, relations and rules and regulations. Mr. Jaideep recently joined as a managing director of Tivori Limited, an apparel designing company. He observed that the company had a number of experienced fashion designers on its payroll. They regularly offered useful suggestions which was neither appreciated nor rewarded by the company. Instead, the company outsourced its service from some renowned fashion designers and paid them a good compensation for their services. Because of this, the employees felt disheartened and stopped giving useful suggestions. First question is identify the communication barrier. Of course, it is lack of proper incentives. The next is state the category of communication barrier. It's a personal barrier and any other communication barrier of the same category, fear of challenge to authority. Okay, so this is about it. Then we go to the next question from here. Sultan, a regional manager in Homely Products Limited for the last 8 years. He on the retirement of the marketing manager, Sultan appeared for the same post because he was extremely ambitious and had dedicated all his energy to the post to obtain the post of the marketing manager. However, the top management decided to fill the position by selecting a better person from outside. Because of this, Sultan was heartbroken and his performance declined. When the new marketing manager joined, one of his major problems was how to motivate and inspire Sultan to his former level of performance. Suggest any 3 non-financial benefits that the new marketing manager may use to motivate Sultan. A is job enrichment, B is employee recognition, C is employee participation, and finally employee empowerment. So all these things the new marketing manager will try with Mr. Sultan. Smita has been working as an assistant manager with Johnson Enterprises for the last 10 years. She was very popular amongst her colleagues because of her commitment and dedication to work. When the senior manager to her retired, all her colleagues thought that Smita would be promoted. But to everyone's surprise, the vacant post was filled by an outsider, Mrs. Rita. Smita felt demoralized and her performance started declining. She would abstain herself and not meet the targets. Mrs. Rita was a good leader and she would often instruct her subordinates, but also she would guide and inspire them. She noticed Smita's behavior and felt her performance could be improved. She started involving Smita in the decision-making issues related to the organization and made her a part of the high-level joint management committee. Smita was now punctual in office and her performance started improving. Okay, so this is almost the same to the above. So there was job enrichment, employee recognition, employee participation. All these things were involved. Okay, so the directing and the motivation served as a good purpose here. RF was working as a supervisor for Neer Purifier. which produced water purifiers. The target of the company was to produce 200 water purifiers every day. His job was to make sure that the work goes smoothly and there was no interruptions in the production. To achieve this, he always gives orders and insists that they be obeyed. He believes that the reward or punishment can be depending upon the performance. Identify the leadership style that is adapted by Arav. He is going to adapt the autocratic leadership. Okay, this and much more. I finished this session with you all with a hope to be back with the next session too. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.